Hi, little friends. Maya here. Today we're sketching a hairdryer, a comb, and scissors. Let's start drawing. First up, I'm sketching the scissors. Next, I'm drawing the comb. I'll color them in various shades. And lastly, I'm doodling the hairdryer. I'm putting a heart on it. Time to color. Pink. I really enjoy coloring. Yellow. Purple. We can use this comb to brush our hair. Just see these magical colors on the comb. What a beautiful hairdryer. Just look at these shades. They're fabulous! Now we have this enchanting set for our hair. Catch you in the next video!